Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a fun little tip and tutorial on how to get that white line around your image while in Canva. In the past, people have used Photoshop and Gimp, and you still can use those. They've also used Canva in the past, but it didn't have a lot of great options and it was a long workaround, but now that has completely changed. So let me kind of dive in here and show you how to do it. And you can do this on the free version of Canva. You do not need the paid version. I do happen to have the paid version, but I know you don't need it for this step. So we're going to use one of my video images. We're going to use this one right here. All right. I'm going to make it a little bigger just so it's easier to see. We're going to go into effects. When you're clicked on the image, you'll see that up here in effects. So I'll do background remover. I just made my background green so you can see the white line once I get there. All right, and I like what's pretty much been outlined here. I don't need to erase or restore or anything, so we're good to go there. All right, so I'm gonna click back out of the image and then click back into it, so it makes it a little bit easier. And we're gonna go into effects. All right, and we're gonna be using the shadows option. A lot of times you'll see the shadow is underneath frames if you haven't used it yet. So you're gonna click on the glow one. And you are going to see a glow. If you want to do some more editing to that, you just double click into there. And I don't want mine to actually blur. I want an actual solid line. So I'm going to take away the blur. I'm going to put transparency up completely because I don't want it transparent. And then I'm going to make it white, or you can type in FFF, either one if you're used to it. And then I'm going to change my white line to 3. You can change, you can see it makes it thicker or smaller. I'm going to actually change it to 3. All right, and then, so there we go. And now you can add text to your thumbnail. You can do however you usually do for your thumbnail. I kind of have some options back here. I made like a grass one, so like if I wanted it to be cantering on grass, or if I wanted another one and be like in an arena cantering, and then you can add your text or such. Maybe you have another image that you want to use. If you found this tip helpful, please make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate the support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.